When I first started, I was just basically doing like observation, watching guys, kind of getting an idea of how machining went out here. Then I came out and I watched a machinist, spent an entire week watching him for like 10 hours a day. And he would take parts out and they'd have to get the first part, like 100%. It had to meet all the tolerances, all the precision. And then after that, I started working back in the drill press area and sheet metal, and I started to learn some of the, like how they were running the punches. And then I just started getting hands-on and I started helping with like deep things that I could do.
There's probably so many people in this town that drive by this place every day, have no idea what happens in here. These are opportunities that a teacher can steer their students towards. It increases engagement and ultimately increases learning, which is what the program's all about. Our core mission has stayed the same. We are very true to that. And the big picture goal is we want to give teachers experiences to help enhance student learning.
Talking to individuals, talking to machinists, machine operators on the floor, just trying to get a handle on a project and get an overview as far as what he can take back to the classroom and share with the classroom. It's a sure buy-in because he is basically selling what he has learned. He's doing the promoting without seeing that hands-on, how his students can utilize that, whether they want to go on and get a college degree, between being on the floor, getting a salaried position, anything at that level. There's a lot of wide range of opportunities within Geater.
They want to give us tours. They want to come and do like guest speakers. They will give us material. They'll just hand out chunks of aluminum for us to machine. That's like incredibly beneficial to us. And then it's incredibly beneficial to them because we are sending kids that are broadening their horizons by, taking a tour and they can see things. And then maybe this is something that they want to go into.